Are you willing to upgrade your Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus, this mobile, the flagship of 2020, the outstanding phone mobile, to the latest one, 2021, the Samsung S21 Plus or S21 Ultra, all kind of thing, or the Z phones, Flip 3 and Fold, or the Note series? So let's talk about whether to upgrade or not in this video. Let's start. Hey guys, welcome back to Corotech. So in this channel I do some tech videos, reviews like this one, and also some tutorial, some tips and videos, also unboxings, all kind of techie stuff. If you're new here, smash that red button, the red YouTube button down below, and you can also like, comment, share, you can friend everybody. So it's nothing much, you can do that. It's a simple, very simple task for you. So, and you can also follow me in my social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. You can see the Corotech everything here. So let's start this video. So this is the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus, the amazing mobile of 2020, the flagship, the S series of outstanding mobile. Whether you can upgrade if you're having this, or whether you can upgrade this in this current 2021, or it's going to end now, so 2022 is going to come, and you can also expect S22 series mobile. So whether you can upgrade it to S21, you can do that or not. So my recommendation is not to do that. So I am not just degrading some mobile or something. It's my personal experience and it's my opinion and my suggestion. So the first thing I will talk about this Samsung S20 Plus is the outstanding display, the amazing 4K display which rolls out on the S10 Plus, also the S20 Plus. So apart from that, the S21 doesn't have that. So for God's sake, do not even go near the S21 series because it doesn't have an amazing display compared to the S10 series and also S20 series. So I would not recommend you to upgrade S20 Plus to S21 for a couple of bucks to put in this $100 or $200. It's waste of money if you are exchanging. So please do not do that. And coming to the second point of this video is that the camera comparison, because Samsung Galaxy series mobile have an amazing, super amazing camera thing which captures amazing videos and photos. You can check it up. I'm shooting this video on my Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus and not using DSLR. But comparing to the S21 series, this mobile lags a bit, but yeah, it's okay. When comparing it does, but if you hold this and you go out, you don't have any flaws in this. And I have also made a video on the S10 Plus, whether you can upgrade it in this 2021 trend or 2022 which is going to come, whether you can get it or not. So I have made an exclusive video on my Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus which I'm shooting now, so you can check here the iCard and watch the video later on. And now coming to the third point, which is a very important point, is that nowadays every mobiles, flagship mobiles are having 5G capability, support the 5G network, but this mobile doesn't have that. Actually there's a version like 5G version, but I didn't buy that 5G version because I'm using a Wi-Fi. It's pretty much okay with me. Till now I don't have the urgency to use 5G thing, so I'll not complain about that. But many people out there will be very much helpful for you in mobile data. You can still browse and everything, so for you it may be useful. At that case, you can upgrade, but for upgrading a mobile from 4G to 5G, is it worth the cost? It's up to you. And apart from that, this mobile doesn't have any flaws or any issues. So it has an amazing 120Hz display, which is pretty much useful for gamers and all kind of thing, which is very fast. So yeah, it has everything. So why no need to upgrade it to a later smartphone which cost approximately twice the budget, twice the amount, I think so. Yeah, S21 series has more rate. The rate has not been decreased yet. So my personal thing is not to upgrade your S20 Plus or the S10 Plus which I'm using now. I have made a video on that, you can check here iCard. So I'm just repeating it again and again, so sorry for that. And also it has amazing speaker setup, the sound quality is perfect, and you all have each and everything to step into 2021 or 2022 which is yet to come, and you can expect many mobiles. And I would say for 100% damn sure that this mobile will definitely compete with the upcoming phones of 2022, because this mobile is really outstanding and you don't have anything to upgrade it at any cost. So these are my personal thing about this Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. Apart from that, you can ask the Note series. It is a completely different criteria. It's a complete different thing. It has an S Pen, which cannot be compared to this S series, all that kind of thing, except the S21 Ultra, which can support S Pen. So the Note series, all that kind of thing is different. So if you want to upgrade your mobile from S series to Note series, you can definitely damn sure upgrade that. But I will not say that you don't need to upgrade. But if you upgrade into S series or S series to S10 or S20 or S22, 1 or 2, so at that time, if you're having S10 Plus, have that, don't upgrade. If you're having S20 Plus, have that and don't upgrade. If you're having S21 Plus, just wait until S22 is good, or it will be better to downgrade your mobile from S21 to S20 due to the good capability of having an amazing display, and it can support the memory card, micro SD card, which is not present in S21 Ultra, S21 Plus, all the kind of thing, and it doesn't support Samsung Pay, which is like Google Pay, Samsung Pay. This mobile has that. And one thing is that you have noticed that there's a kind of skin I put on this mobile because I'm afraid that my glass will break on the back side, because Samsung Galaxy S21 series do not have a glass body. They have some kind of mixed plastic or polycarbonate, that kind of thing, but they don't have the glass body. So that's also another reason not to upgrade from Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus to the upcoming phones. So that's all about this video. I hope you find this video helpful, and you can like, comment, share this video if you find this video helpful. If not, you comment below that I'll need to rectify all the kind of thing. I will damn sure do that. And follow me in my social media platforms, my handles like Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, everything. You can see Corotech. So this is Rais Ahmed from Corotech. See you next video. Bye bye.